guys, Easton here over at Phillips Chevrolet in Bourbonnais. Hey, something that's really cool that we get to see quite a bit around here is we got a 2025 BrightDrop. So I'm sure you guys have seen all these delivery vans. You know, they're going electric. This thing is pretty sweet. Let's take a look at this as we walk around here. You're going to see it's got the nice sliding door like almost all delivery cargo vans do. You do have an option for a passenger seat over there as well. This one's pretty loaded up. This one has lane sense. It's got 360-degree cameras. Very cool. And on top of that, you're still saying you're with the EV, so you are economically healthy. Go on back here, and you'll also see that you have a huge amount of space throughout here. You even have a place to mount a spare tire, which is pretty cool. I mean, and these things, easy as pie to pull down. If you guys have any questions on these BrightDrops, let me know. You can always reach me at 815-933-2251, extension 810, and I'll be looking forward to your call. Otherwise, hop on over here at 1400 Locke Drive in Bourbonnais, Illinois, and I'll be looking forward to meeting you guys. Thank you.